everyone and welcome back to Literature with Sasha. Today we are talking about how technology is changing the way we do research in English literature. Instead of spending hours in library, now we can use digital tools to analyze text, find resources and explore new ideas more easily. From online databases to apps that helps with reading and writing, technology is making research faster and more exciting. Let's dive into how these tools are helping us study literature today. Introduction. In the digital age, technology has become an integral part of every field, and English literature research is no example. From accessing rare manuscripts to analyzing complex text with the help of artificial intelligence, technology has revolutionized the way scholars approach literature. But how did we get here? And what are the key ways in which technology is influencing the landscape of English literature research today? Let's explore these questions in detail. Historical context. Traditional methods in English literature research. Before the digital revolution, researchers in English literature were heavily dependent on physical texts, libraries, and archives. Researchers spent countless hours combing through books, journals, and manuscripts to find the information they needed. This was a time consuming process, and access to materials could be limited based on geographical location or accessibility of resources. Moreover, researcher was often confined to a specific set of materials, with scholars unable to easily explore secondary text or distant archives. The limitation of these traditional methods, while valuable, made literary research a more isolated and hard task. Here is an explanation breakdown into key points. Number 1. Access of digital archives and database. Technology allows researchers to access vast collection of literary works online. Online libraries and digital databases and Google Books provide scholars with immediate access of millions of text, research papers, and historical documents. This reduces the need of physical archives, making it easier and fast for researchers to find relevant materials for their work. Number 2. Digital humanities. The intersection of literature studies and digital tools. Digital humanities is an interdisciplinary field where technology and literature studies merge. Scholars use digital tools for tasks such as text mining, visualization, and mapping historical literary trends. This approach opens new ways of analyzing literature that were previously impossible with traditional methods. Number 3. Textual analysis and computational tools. Technology enables deeper textual analysis through computational methods. Tools help researchers analyze text in ways that would be difficult manually. These tools can identify word frequencies, themes, and patterns across large data sets, providing insights into a text structure, language, and meaning. Number 4. AI in literary research. Artificial intelligence is transforming how literature is analyzed and interpreted. AI helps with tasks like authorship, attribution, sentiments analysis, and even predicting literary patterns. AI can analyze writing style, determine the emotional tone of text, and even help uncover hidden connection between authors and their work. Number 5. Global accessibility and collaboration. Technology bridges geographical barriers, allowing researchers to collaborate globally. Online platforms and digital resources enable researchers from all over the world to access the same materials and share findings. This has facilitated international collaboration and the exchange of ideas, helping enrich literary research with diverse perspectives. Number 6. Crowdsourced research and social media. Platforms like social media enables collaborative crowdsourced research in literature. Scholars, students, and enthusiasts use platforms like Twitter, Reddit, and blog to discuss literary works, share insights, and collaborate on research projects. These platforms also allow crowdsourcing data of literary studies, increasing the collective knowledge base. Number 7. Multimedia resources for literary research. Multimedia tools provide new ways of engaging with literature. With the rise of broadcast, video lectures, and online discussions, researchers and students can engage with literary topics in a more interactive way. These resources provide alternative perspective and help researchers digest complex ideas in accessible format. Number 8. Preserving and digestizing literature. Technology aids in preservation of rare and ancient texts. Many old and fragile books are being digitized, ensuring that they are preserved for future generations. Digital archives make it possible to study these works without causing further damage to the original text, which might be too fragile to handle in person. Challenges of technology in literary research. Despite its advantages, there are challenges in using technology. Not all researchers have equal access to technology or online resources due to geographical and economic factors. There are also ethical concerns such as copyright issues and the potential for biased data in AI analysis. Additionally, the reliance on digital tools may lead to overemphasis on technology at cost of traditional critical thinking. Number 10. Future trend in technology for literature research. Technology will continue to evolve, shaping future literary research. Emerging technologies like virtual reality, augmented reality, and more advanced AI are expected to further transform the way literature is studied. These technologies could provide immersive experiences and help analyze literature in even more sophisticated way, further bridging the gap between traditional and modern methods. Conclusion. Technology has undependably transformed the field of English literature research from digital archives and AI driven analysis to global collaboration and interactive resources. Technological advancement have made literary research more accessible, efficient, and dynamic. As technology continues to evolve, it will no doubt continue to shape the future of literary studies, offering scholars new tools to explore and interpret the vast world of literature. Thank you for watching Literature with Sasha. I hope you learned something new about how technology is helping with research in English literature. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. If you have any thought or questions, leave a comment below. See you next time.